Hey everybody, Don here. Just wanted to give you guys a review of this Costco flashlight. It's on sale for like 20 bucks, but I think it's 30 not on sale. But you can charge it, battery power, says it's 5,000 lumens. Wait till it gets dark and we'll put it to the test. Alright, so it's dark now. So this is more of the Xfinity 1 flashlight. So it says it's 5,000 lumens. It's pretty good. It's pretty legit. It's got some adjustable features, kind of hard to show one-handed, but it's definitely bright. Another cool thing is it's got a battery indicator on it, so if you start to get low, say you're like in a cave or something, you're gonna know when to turn around when you only got 2 lights left. Pretty badass flashlight. I'd recommend it. Have a good one.